Welcome to the Betikrame YouTube channel. In our fertilizer factory, there is a gas turbine GE manufactured, that is now Ignon International SRL, Italy, and the control panel of the gas turbine is three numbers controller RST, and we found that from the DCS panel there is a problem. That means L30CS fault, control system fault trip, and for this fault we want to know the alarm, from the alarm what kinds of problem, and we found from our DCS panel we saw different alarm exist, and here is you see the date, and this is time, and the fault alarm ID, and here is the details fault. And at first we saw that there is a time which fault is at first created, so this time is too much helpful for us to find out the required fault. And here is different types of fault. See, 830, 38, 775, and 8 is 31. So this is the first fault, G1. This is the alarm control system, the general alarm. Okay, after finding this alarm, we saw our control panel. Here is the control sequence. This is R, S, and T controller, different types of controller, and the redundant controller is S controller. You see, initially we have the redundant controller was R controller, but here is shifted, here is S controller, so there is a fault created. And for this we found what types of fault may be occurred, and we saw that in our control panel there is a control card. You see this card from our DCS panel. We saw that this card is alarming, and we saw here is the different values are not showing. So in the control room we saw our controller as well as the control card. This card was faulty. Here is two card. This is the base card, and here is the main card, thermocouple card. This is the number, and also here is a number, and for the base there is a number. Initially, if we need to change complete card with base, then we need to download the program, and for that reason we need the number of the base, and we need to insert this base number to the project, and from DCS panel we need to download to the controller. And on the other side, if we need to change only this card and the exact number follows and this type of card, then there is no need to download the program. So here we saw that the card is not working properly, so from our store we collected this type of card which was available, and we interchanged this card to our control panel. And after changing this card, we power supply is available. It is followed that the time of working we shut down the panel and power was completely off state. After connection is okay and its power supply and LAN connection is okay, then we power supply switch on for this control panel. And after connecting, we saw that the this card is working properly, and from our DCS control panel gas turbine we started a blower, and we saw that it was okay. It is remembered that at the time of fault the blower was not working. So in this way we resolve our problem. Thanks for watching this.